Hello everyone, I'm Arma Fatmasari with last number 1012. Uh, Today I will present about effect of tofu and wheat based flour substitution and cracker on hedonic quality and nutrition content. The first part is the introduction. In Wonosobo district, which is located in the north of Banyuwangi Regency, there is a tofu processing industry. Tofu production produce solid and liquid waste or tofu dregs, which can have a negative impact on the environment and health if not managed properly. Research was conducted to utilize tofu dregs into nutrition products and reduce dependence on wheat flour. The next part is methods. The tools used to make cracker are a sieve, blender, basin, filter, cloth, mixer, stove, stainless steel knife, cutting board, tray, can, hydraulic press, blender, roasting pan, and 80 mesh sieve. The material used to make cracker are tofu dregs flour, high protein wheat flour, tapioca flour, garlic, and cooking oil. The tools used in the analysis of water and protein content in cracker consist of an oven, baking bottle, desiccator, tongs, kejadel flask, hot plate, foam cardboard, burette, and stative. The material used in the analysis of protein content in cracker are K2SO4, silane catalysis, boiling stone, H2SO4, aqueous, NaOH 30%, H3BO4 4%, and HCl 0.1. On this slide are the steps that will be carried out. Making tofu dregs, flour baking switch pressing using a hydraulic tool to reduce the water content. The dregs were then steaming at 100-2001 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes for sterilization. After that, it is drying in the oven with regular turning so that dries quickly. The dry dregs are milling using a blender, then sifting with a size 80 until 100 mesh to get uniform flour particles. Making cracker begins by mixing all the material with water until homogeneous. After that, the dough was molding 3 cm thick and steaming at 100 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. The cracker are cooling for 24 hours so that the texture is hard and easy to cut. The final step is cutting and drying in the sun to reduce the water content, so it is more durable and save space. The next is analysis procedure. In the research, their analysis were carried out. The first was a hedonic test, appearance of color, taste, and texture. A chemical content test, moisture and protein content. The last is hedonic test. The next is experiment design. The experiment design of this research was carried out using a completely randomized design (CRD). The factor for this research were tofu dregs for concentration of 0%, 10%, 20%, and 30%, where flour substitution 100%. 9%, 8%, and 7%, 70%. Each treatment was repeat 4 times. The next is data analysis. In the hedonic test data analysis, it is analysis descriptive using average and bar chart. Water and protein content data were analyzed using standard error with 4 treatment and 4 repetition. The next part is result and discussion. Crunchy favorable based on the picture, it showed that P2 has the highest level of crispness with an average of 5.81, while P3 has the lowest level of crispness with 2.8. Color favorability based on the picture, it showed that P2 has the highest level of color preference with an average of 5.868, while P1 has a color preference level with an average of 5.32. Aroma favorability based on the picture, it shows that control has the highest level of aroma preference with an average of 5.48, while P3 has the lowest level of aroma preference with an average of 5.3. Apparent favorability based on the picture, it shows that P3 has the highest level of shape preference with an average of 5.21, while P1 has the lowest level and shape preference with an average of 4.91. Flavor favorability based on the picture, it shows that control has the highest level of taste preference with an average of 5.8, while P1 has the lowest level of taste preference with an average of 5.28. Protein content of crackers. Based on the picture, it shows that P3 has the highest protein content with an average of 17.10. Moisture content of cracker. Based on the picture, it shows that P3 has the lowest water content with an average of 4.5, while the control has the highest water content with 4.69. The last part is conclusion. The addition of tofu text flour affect panelists' liking of crispness, color, aroma, shape, and taste of crackers. Tofu pulp flour increases protein content but decreases water content. The best formulation based on the preference test is formulation P2. That's all I can presentation, and thank you for your attention. I hope it can be useful. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.